Welcome to Vantage with AI. Today we're looking at NVIDIA's ChronoEdit, a clever approach that reframes image editing as a video generation task to encourage temporal consistency. Let's jump in. ChronoEdit is built on a video model, but its primary purpose is image editing. It converts an image editing problem into a short video generation one so the model can reason through a physically plausible editing trajectory. ChronoEdit inserts temporal reasoning tokens between the reference and edited image latents. Those tokens act as intermediate guidance that help the model think through how the edit should evolve. At inference, you don't have to fully denoise those tokens for efficiency, but optionally you can denoise them into a clean short video to visualize the model's reasoning. Importantly, the final frame of that generated video is the edited image you want. Alright, before we start the workflow setup, let's go over the models you'll need for this tutorial. ChronoEdit Diffusion model, available in .safetensors format. You can also use the GGUF version if you're running with limited VRAM. If you're using GGUF, make sure to enable the UNet loader node, connect its output to the LoRA loader's input, and disable the Diffusion loader node. ChronoEdit distill LoRA. This LoRA allows us to sample with just 8 steps instead of the usual 20 steps while keeping image quality high. Clip text encoder. UMT5XXL use this for the text conditioning prompt encoding, and a clip vision encoder. Clip Vision Ench. It provides the visual embedding branch used to align image features. For VAE, we'll be using the standard WAN 2.1 VAE for encoding and decoding latents back to image pixels. All download links for these models are already included in the workflow and also listed in the video description below, so be sure to grab them before running the workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications if you enjoy tutorials like this one. For our first test, we'll use this image, taken from the sample set shared by the ChronoEdit team on their demo page. It features a portrait of elegant Japanese woman in a flowing red kimono surrounded by cherry blossoms. We'll use this descriptive prompt. The goal is to transform this 2D anime-style artwork into a realistic high-end PVC scale figure, keeping her pose, costume, and expression intact, but rendering everything with lifelike textures, lighting, and depth, as if it were a collectible display model. ChronoEdit performs best when your prompts are clear and detailed like this, defining exactly what you want the edit to achieve and what visual qualities to preserve. Let's run it. And here's the result from our first test. The model delivered exactly what we described in the prompt, transforming the original anime illustration into a stunning, realistic PVC collectible figure. You can see the figure placed naturally on a round display base, sitting on a desk with a softly blurred keyboard and monitor glow in the background, perfectly matching the prompt's real-world setup. ChronoEdit maintained every important detail, from her elegant pose and flowing sleeves to the delicate gold accents, while seamlessly translating the 2D artwork into a photorealistic 3D collectible scene. For our next test, we're using this simple stick figure sketch, a red figure on the left and a blue one on the right. This time, the prompt transforms these basic outlines into a dynamic Japanese black and white anime-style battle scene. The red figure becomes a determined schoolgirl mid-charge, while the blue figure turns into a dark-haired warrior delivering a powerful flying kick. ChronoEdit is tasked with interpreting the stick figure structure as the scene's exact motion layout, keeping the poses and spacing intact while expanding it into a dramatic manga-style clash. Let's run it. And here's the result from our second test. The output generated from that simple stick figure sketch. ChronoEdit once again nailed it. It perfectly interpreted the stick figure structure, turning it into a dynamic, black and white anime battle scene. The schoolgirl on the left charges forward with intense motion and emotion, while the dark-robed fighter on the right delivers a fierce flying kick mid-air. The impact point explodes with dramatic ink strokes and debris, capturing that manga-style energy burst exactly as described in the prompt. The hair, clothing, and brush shading all flow with the shockwave, giving the frame a sense of raw power and motion, a perfect example of how ChronoEdit can translate even the simplest drawings into cinematic, high-intensity anime visuals. And that wraps up our look at NVIDIA's ChronoEdit model inside ComfyUI. As you just saw, it's capable of taking simple sketches or even existing illustrations and transforming them into stunning, highly detailed visual edits, all while maintaining structure, realism, and consistency. You'll find all the model links and workflow file in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of experiments you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching Vantage with AI, and I'll see you in the next one.